Hello, scholars. I'm going to show you how to use the timer that I have for us on Google Classroom. Okay, so this is something you may need to use when you're doing independent reading. Okay, if you are not live with me, then you want to set your own timer. Okay, so we read for 25 minutes. So I type in 25, but that's only 25 seconds. See, if I started it, boom, it would be over way too quickly, right? So I had to pay attention to my minutes and seconds. So I click back, 25, 0 is 2 minutes and 50 seconds, not what I want again. So what I do need, 25, double 0, okay? This is 25 minutes. You need to have 25 and then 2 zeros at the end. I click set, and there we go. So I can keep this tab going, and I can even open up a tab here and go on, Epic, and read, okay? See that the timer will keep going even when it's in this tab, and when it goes off, you can go to Google Classroom and fill in the reading log. All right, get to work, readers.